In this video we'll show how you can create a custom search bar in the grid in version 10. In previous videos we've shown how you can add a button bar to the search part, and now we'll show you how you can create customized versions of this button bar. So let's go back here to design mode, and you'll see here that we have an option here under the search bar type called either alphabet buttons or custom buttons. And if you choose custom buttons, then you can open up the custom button builder. Now the custom button builder allows you to define any number of custom buttons and then the corresponding filter expression that will be executed when you select that button. So we can start out by going here and selecting a sample definition. And you can see here that in the sample definition we have a button that has a label of A.C, and then when we click that button, whatever the search field is defined as, it's going to search on that field, and it's going to basically search for all records that are greater or equal to A and less than C. And then here my next button is D through F, etc. So let's go ahead now and see how that works. So let's save this and go to live preview. And so you see now we basically have our custom buttons over here, and if I click these custom buttons, we're searching for records in that range. So of course there are several styles for the custom buttons. Right now we've chosen the hyperlink style. This is the button style over here. So you can see now basically our custom buttons are actually in a button style. And then finally there's another style which is the drop-down style, and also you can position the control either in the grid itself, which would be 0, or outside the grid, which would be 1. So let's go ahead now here, and you can see there's basically our drop-down, and there's records A through Z, D through F, etc. Now you can do arbitrary searches over here. So let's go back here and now define a more complex custom search where we say maybe specify different regions of the country. So you can see here we've defined say a region called Northeast, and I'm using DBF syntax here, but if I was searching a SQL database I could use SQL syntax. And I've specified that the Northeast is Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, Vermont. The West is California, Oregon, or Washington. Let's go here and define the South as say Florida, Alabama, Georgia, etc. So let's go ahead and test that out now, and go to live preview and choose the West, and you can see there's California. We'll choose the Northeast, and there's Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Connecticut, and then let's go to the South, and we have no records in the South in this database. So you can see here that being able to create custom search bars can give you a lot of flexibility in providing search options to the users of your components.